Keeping kids safe online is harder than ever these days. With smartphones, social media, and constant internet access, it can feel impossible to know what they're actually doing, who they're talking to, or what content they're exposed to. If you've ever worried about your child's online safety, whether they're texting strangers, visiting unsafe websites, or just spending too much time on their phone, you're not alone. The good news is that there are tools designed to help parents monitor, manage, and protect their kids' devices. And mSpy is one of the most well-known options available. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how mSpy works, how you can use it to track and protect your child's phone activity from anywhere, and whether or not it's the right solution for you. Let's start with the basics. What is mSpy and what does it actually do? mSpy is a mobile monitoring app that gives parents full control over their child's smartphone activity. Once it's installed, it provides access to text messages, call logs, social media interactions, GPS location, browsing history, and more, all from one online dashboard. The app runs in stealth mode, which means it works in the background without being detected by the child. This makes it a great option for parents who want to monitor their child's digital behavior without them knowing. Now, let's go over some of the key features that make mSpy such a powerful tool for managing and protecting your child's device. First off, the text message and call monitoring. One of the biggest concerns for parents is who their child is talking to, and mSpy allows you to see incoming and outgoing messages, call logs, and even deleted conversations. If your child is talking to someone they shouldn't be, you will know right away. You can also check details like call duration, timestamps, and contact names, giving you a clear picture of who they're communicating with. Next is social media and messaging app tracking. Most kids today are not just texting, they're using apps like Snapchat, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to communicate. mSpy gives you access to their messages, photos, and interactions on these platforms, which allows you to catch any suspicious activity, cyberbullying, or just inappropriate conversations. Next is the GPS location tracking and geofencing. If you need to know where your child is at all times, mSpy actually includes a real-time GPS tracking feature. You can log into the dashboard and see their exact location on the map. For even more control, you can set up geofencing alerts, meaning if your child enters or leaves a specific area, you will receive an instant notification. This is perfect for making sure that they're where they're supposed to be, like school or a friend's house. Next is internet and app blocking. If you're worried about your child visiting inappropriate websites or spending too much time on a certain app, mSpy lets you block access to specific websites and applications with just a few clicks. You can prevent them from downloading apps that are not appropriate for their age, maybe limit screen time, or even block entire categories of websites like gambling or adult content. Next is the keylogger and screen recording. The keylogger feature records every keystroke made on the device. This means you can see searches, passwords, messages, and anything else they type, even if they delete it later. On top of that, the screen recording tool takes screenshots at regular intervals, which allows you to see exactly what your child is doing on their phone in real time. Next is stealth mode. One of the biggest benefits of mSpy is that it runs on stealth mode. So once it's installed, it works silently in the background without showing up in the app list or sending notifications. This means your child will not know they are being monitored, which helps ensure honest digital behavior rather than them trying to hide things from you. Let's take a look at the different pricing options and then do a walkthrough of how you can actually get signed up and how it actually works in the app and dashboard. So if you want to make sure you're getting the best price possible, make sure you click our exclusive link in the description below, and then you will be brought to this page. And what we'll want to do is go ahead and click try now, and we will create our account. You can go ahead and sign up with a regular email or Google. Go ahead and click continue. You can decide which device you'll be monitoring, whether Android or iPhone, or you can decide later. Next is when you want to choose the plan. So the plans that they have are based on time. So you can do 1 month, 3 months, or 12 months. The 1 month is $48.99 per month, which it's regularly $69.99 per month. Next and the most popular is the 3 months, and this is $28 per month and regularly $40. Lastly is the 12 months, and this is $11.67 per month, normally $16.67 per month. So next you will just go ahead and click continue with whatever plan you would like, and then you'll type in all of your information. So once your account is completely set up, you will be prompted to download the mStar app. And once you download this app, it will prompt you to plug in the device. So just a fair warning, it does take some time. I think with my phone, it took about 25-30 minutes, but you do only have to plug it in that one time to get access to the data. And then you can go ahead and click sync now without it being plugged in, but the phone and the computer both need to be on the same Wi-Fi. And then once it's synced up, you'll go ahead and click this link right here, starting off with the dashboard. So here's where you can see the the top visited websites, the top calling contacts, and the top messaging contacts. If you go ahead and go under the behavior monitoring section, this is where you can see all the calls, and within the calls, you can see the duration, the date, and if it was ingoing or outgoing. You can also have access to contacts, all browser history, browser bookmarks, installed apps. So this is non-system apps and then all apps. And then you also have access to events as well as reminders. And then notes are also available in here. And then if you scroll down to the messaging surveillance, this is where you can see the text messages, and you can also filter by date or go ahead and put a from and to date, which is very handy. Same with WhatsApp. So you can see all messages right here, all contacts, and then all of the call logs. And then they've also got Line and Kik. And then here is where you can see the location. So you'll just go ahead and go to Wi-Fi networks. And then lastly, they've just got an overview. If you want to do the anonymous location tracker, find anyone anywhere using their phone number, as well as the anonymous Instagram viewer. And you can go ahead and view this privately as well. And then the GPS locator by link. So you just generate a unique URL to get someone's precise location. No device linking necessary. Okay, now that we have walked through, you understand the key features, let's go ahead and go over some of the pros and cons. Starting off with the pros, it's easy to install and use even for parents who are not tech savvy. It also provides detailed tracking of text messages, calls, social media, and GPS location. It also allows parents to block specific websites and apps to protect their child, as well as it works in stealth mode. It's also compatible with both Android and iPhone devices, and 24/7 customer support is available to help you. Now some of the cons. So it does require that physical access to the device for installation, and some advanced features do require jailbreaking an iPhone or rooting an Android. And some of the subscription plans can be a bit expensive compared to other parental control apps. And not all features are available on every phone model, so compatibility should be checked before purchasing. Now, is mSpy for you? If you're a parent who's concerned about your child's digital safety, mSpy is one of the most powerful and reliable monitoring apps available today. It provides full visibility into their phone activity, which will just allow you to protect them from online dangers, cyberbullies, or just unsafe interactions. However, if you are looking for a budget-friendly option or don't want to go through the process of jailbreaking or rooting a phone, you may want to explore other parental control apps that offer fewer features but simpler setup. And if you decide to use mSpy, make sure you use our exclusive link in the description to ensure you're getting the best price possible. At the end of the day, every parent wants to keep their child safe without invading their privacy or making them feel like they're constantly being watched. The goal of using a tool like mSpy is not to spy on your kids, but to protect them from online dangers that they may not even realize exist. That wraps up this video, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd absolutely love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you navigate the world of online security and privacy. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.